Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll and tap on the display. Here let's scroll down again to find the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So right now we've got 30 seconds applied, and I believe this is a default option. So all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.